Step 7. Fill tank and turn on. Before we start this step, this is a friendly reminder that you should never add plant food to your garden when germinating new Y-cubes on it. Kelby, your smart gardening assistant, will help you learn when to feed your plants later on. Using the opening in your garden's lid, pour in 3 gallons of tap water, then pop the opening's cover back on. In the future, when you refill your tank, always follow the recommended number of gallons in your app. Next, make sure the main power switch, located on the back of the water tank, is in the off O position. Plug in the power supply, first on your device, then into an outlet. Turn your device on by flipping the main switch to the on minus position. The main switch should now illuminate. After a few minutes, the lights will blink 3 times, indicating your garden is ready to be connected to Wi-Fi.